Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable Sumikko Gurashi penguin onigiri squishy, and I thought of this design myself and I thought it was super adorable, so let's get into the video. So you're going to need foam, and I'm using density foam, but you can also use memory foam, and if you want to use memory foam then you can get that from eBay, and I got the density foam from Hobby Lobby. You'd also need gloves or a popsicle stick, but I'm going to use chopsticks because that's all I have for now. You'll also need a toothpick for the details of your squishy. You'll also need scissors and some type of puffy paint, and you can also have the colors pre-made, but I'm just going to mix them. So the first step is to shape your squishy and basically just make this the shape of an onigiri. So this is the shape I came up with when I was done, and I try to make it as smooth as possible. Once you're done shaping the squishy, go ahead and put white paint as the base color, and then after a few hours after it dried, then go ahead and put on a second layer of white paint. And this adds to the slow rising effect to the squishy. So here I'm mixing the colors to make the seaweed, and then I apply that to my squishy to form the seaweed. Also, I didn't record this, but I also added a second layer of the seaweed after it dried. So here's what my squishy looked like after I finished applying the seaweed. Here I mixed yellow and white together to form a pastel yellow, and then I applied it to the squishy to form the beak and also the feet of the penguin. Also, you may have noticed that when I was painting on the feet, I made them into kind of a block shape, so I formed the toes later. So here I'm adding the eyes to it, and basically they're just black dots. After I shaped the feet, I outlined it with black. Here's what my onigiri squishy looked like after I outlined the feet, and I thought the feet were really cute. Then I added detail to the beak. So here's what it looks like, and I ended up thinning out the black paint on the beak. And here's what it looked like after I thinned out the beak, and I also fixed up some minor mistakes that I made on the feet. And then I added the little arms holding up the seaweed from the onigiri. After I finished and let the paint dry, I then added a black outline to the arms. Thanks for making it to the end, guys. Stay tuned for next week's video. I upload every Saturday. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you've ever made a squishy. And I'd love to hear what kind of squishy you made. Bye!